Logsec versus Zettlr, best note-taking tool for you. In this video, I'm going to show you the difference between Logsec and Zettlr to help you decide which one is the best note-taking tool for you. So make sure to watch this video to the end. And let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is take a look at Logsec. Over here, Logsec is a graph-based knowledge management tool that helps you organize ideas using directional links and outline structure. After that, it supports local storage and powerful search features. Then it is great for building personal knowledge based in management complex information. After that, let's check out Zettlr. Over here, Zettlr is a markdown based note-taking app designed for writers and research. Then it includes Zettel, a distraction-free writing interface, and citation management with Zoto. After that is best for academic writing, structured research, and focused note-taking. Now, which one should you choose? Pick Logsec if you need a graph-based system with powerful linking knowledge management. Pick Zettlr if you need a distraction-free writing tool with strong academic features. So that's the comparison between Logsec and Zettlr. Make sure you like this video and subscribe.